Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can register on Exness and how to connect your account with MetaTrader 4. If you're new to this channel, I am FX and I share tutorials and videos on how to trade Forex and how to make money with Forex. So without much ado, I also have a community where I share signals for free and also updates, and if you want to contact me, you can find the details below. Also, I'll leave the link to this video so that you can register on Exness and get a bonus when you register. Also, don't forget to join my community where I share my signal for free. So let's begin. When you download the app, or after registering, you can also download the app and you can also register using the link in the description below. Now click on register, then click on select country of residence. Now I'll be using Nigeria since I'm from Nigeria. Okay, then click on declare. I declare, continue, then put your email. Let me use, then I'll put my email. Use this one. Then click on continue, then set your password. Click on continue, and that's all. You can either save it or you leave it, so no thanks. Then after that, you set your passcode 20. Add your fingerprints and all that. So now you now have your Exness account open. Now this is your real account. Now to deposit, click on deposit. Sorry, this account is not verified, so you have to verify before you can be able to deposit. Now to verify, click on profile down here. Click on profile, right? Click on profile, then click on complete profile. Complete profile. Then you verify your email, verify everything. I already have a verified account, that's why I'm not going to verify this account. So but if you observe, just follow the process and verify everything. And if you're done with that, so let's go back, account, then click on deposit into your account, like a minimum of $30 to begin with. So now to connect your account to your MetaTrader 5, where you'll be trading, where you'll be taking your trades. This app is just meant for, is a broker. This is a broker app, so you don't use this one to trade, you only use this one as a broker. Now let me show you. Let's go back, go to Play Store and search for MetaTrader. I'm using MetaTrader 5. So see MetaTrader 5. I already have mine downloaded, so just download it, wait for it to load. It has downloaded. Now let's open it. So now, if you first log into your MetaTrader 5, just go to manage account, then manage account. Okay, click on the plus sign, then search for the broker. Exness is already here. Click on Exness, then go back to your Exness. Go back to your Exness, then click on settings. Hop, let's hop. Click on the settings, then see the login here. Copy this login details, login, server, and all those things. Now this is a demo account. Okay, sorry, it's a real account. So copy details, everything. Just copy. I'll copy the login, paste it here. I'll paste it. The server is already imputed. Okay, sorry, it's the wrong one, so I have to search the server. Sorry, let's search for Exness. You have to make sure the server is the same thing with the one here. Exness real MT5 real. Exness. Click on the server. Exness, click on the server. MT5 real 9. MT5 real 9. Look for MT5 real 9. See it here. Okay, as MT5 real 9. See it here. Then paste your login. Then the password is your password. That's the password you use. You can still change the password if you want to. Change trading password, you can change it if you want to. Then that should be your password. That's your password. Just input the password. Then click on login. And it's connecting right now. Authorization field. No connection. I think the password is not the same thing. Let's go and check. Change the trading password. Just change it. Change the password since the password isn't correct. Just change the password, everything, then go back to MT4, follow the process I showed you, then log in, look for the server, everything, just connect everything, and we are connected. That's all. Just choose the account, then that's all. You can begin taking trades. With your MT5. And guys, that's all. I already have my accounts connected and all those things, so I don't know what's wrong now that it's not working. But if you have any question, you can find my details below in the comment section. You can contact me on WhatsApp. You can also contact me on Telegram, anywhere. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.